Welcome to NetApp SaaS Backup. This video demonstrates the restoration of data in SaaS Backup for SharePoint Online. Go to Services and select Microsoft SharePoint Online. Navigate to Protected Sites. Select the site collection to restore and click Restore. An entire site collection can be restored to the same site or another site, or the data can be exported. Click the site collection, select all the content folders, and click Restore. All content folders can also be restored to the same level, restored to the same mailbox or another mailbox, or the data can be exported. Select individual items inside the site pages and click Restore. Individual items inside the site collection can only be restored to the same site or another site. You can now do real-time deletion of individual items and restore them to the same site or another site. To perform restoration, go to Services and select Microsoft SharePoint Online. Navigate to Protected Sites and select the site collection to restore items. Before you perform the restoration, delete the few items from the Office 365 SharePoint site completely. Go to the Documents folder in SaaS Backup. Select the individual items to be restored and click Restore. Select Restore to the same site and click Confirm. You can check the status of the restoration that is performed in Jobs. Check the Office 365 SharePoint site and the restored items that can be viewed in the folder CC_210808006. You can now restore individual items to another site. Navigate to Services and select Microsoft SharePoint Online. Go to Protected Sites and select one of the site collections. Navigate to the Documents folder and select the individual items to be restored. Click Restore and select Restore to another site. Provide the site name of another site and click Confirm. You can view restored items in the folder CC_210808014. You have successfully performed the restoration in SaaS Backup for SharePoint Online.